Good morning, students. I'm Sangeeta, your science teacher. I welcome you all for today's science class, today e-learning class, and today we are going to discuss the new chapter that is animals. Before coming to this chapter, children, animals have made human life much easier by providing us with food, medicines, clothing, etc. They are the best gift given to us by nature. Here in this chapter, children, little Aryan came home from school, ate his lunch, and fell asleep. He had a nice dream in his sleep. In his dream, he met some animals. One by one, all the animals introduced themselves to him. See the picture carefully. I will show the picture. After reading these questions, these are 5 questions. They all are fill in the blanks. The first one, I am friendly and guard your home. Who am I? I live in and around your home. I give you milk. I am. I don't live around your home. I am the king of the jungle. I am. I have a horn on my head. Who am I? I have a light green color body and use my red beak for eating. I am. You have to write the answer. Now I am going to give you a picture. The first one is, what is the question? Do you remember the first question? The first question was, I guard your home. I am friendly. Who am I? What is the answer? Answer is dog. And the next one, I live in and around your house. I give you milk. I am cow. And the third one, king of the jungle. You can write. And this is green color body and use red beak for eating. It's a parrot. And you can identify this picture, and the riddle was, I have a horn on my head. Who am I? Identify the picture and you have to write down the name. Now come to the second page of this chapter. Aryan told his mother about his dream when he woke up. He wanted to know more about animals. His mother explained that there are different type of animals. Children, there are different type of animals and they have different feeding habits. They have different habitats. Now, what is habitat? Natural place of animal. A place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Habitat of aquatic animal is water. Birds, these are aerial animals. They spend most of the time on air. So they are called aerial animals. They can fly in the air. Now come to the land animals. Land animals are animals that live on land. The land or earth has plains, cave, forest, desert and snow-covered area. Different land animals live on different parts of land, and animals living on land are called terrestrial animals. Now first one is animals living in plains. Now what is plain? Plain is a flat land mass. Many animals like horse, cow, buffalo, dog, cat, donkey live in plains. All these animals, land animals, walk and run on 4 legs. In this picture, you can see animals living in plains. Here, you just have learned about habitat. These are the picture of aquatic animals. Their habitat is water. You can see different type of aquatic animals in this picture. Now these are aerial animals. Birds, they fly high in the sky. Now come to the animals living in desert. Now what is desert? Desert, there is lack of vegetation, very dry area and low precipitation. It means little rain. And the temperature is very high during daytime. So the animals living in deserts can tolerate high temperature. Camel, snake, lizard are found in desert. Camel can live without water for many days. They can store water and food in their bodies. They have padded feet. Lizard and snakes crawl on the ground. They live in burrow. And now what is burrow? Burrow is the hole in the ground. These animals who live in burrow, they dig the ground and live in burrow. This helps them to escape the heat of the desert. You can see in this picture, this is desert snake. This is camel. Camel have padded feet. You can see in this picture, camel have padded feet. It's supposed to walk on sandy moss. This is lizard, desert lizard. It lives in burrow. And now come to the animals living in forest. Forest provide shelter and food to many animals. Animals like tiger, zebra, elephant, giraffe, deer, kangaroo and many more live in forest. Now what is forest? Forest is a large area dominated by the trees. Forest is the habitat of many animals. The color of the skin and body patterns of some of these animals help them to merge with their surrounding and protect them from danger. Now what is merge? The meaning of the merge is to become part of the surrounding. This helps them to protect them from enemy. You can see this is wild animal, elephant, and this is the example of stick insect. You can see the body of a stick insect like a stick. It is not easy to find them and this helps them to protect from enemies. This is king of the jungle living in den or cave. Now come to your classwork, children. This is the classwork from the first page of the fill in the blanks. I have just explained it with the picture. You have to do this as a classwork in between the time. And this is your homework, children. You have to write and learn difficult words. There are 10 words I am giving you. You have to write in your copy. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.